Hi YouTube viewers, welcome back to my new video. In this video, we will walk through the premium features of vendors who get registered and pay the fees. So for them, what are the benefits, what extra features they will be getting, we will be seeing in this video. At first, let me log in into the vendor portal. Once I log in, you can see all the details have been already filled in my previous videos. If you have not seen, please check the videos. Now we are in currently free subscription plan. Okay, so where we have maximum 10 photos to be uploaded, public, our business will be in public, so everyone can view them, and we need to upgrade it. So I'll go with premium as of now, so because of their features. Now they have a coupon code to apply, so let's walk you through an admin panel how we can create a coupon code and distribute these coupon codes across your social media platforms so that they get benefited, or you can sell the coupon codes, or you can give the coupon code for your promotion. So for that, we have already created in our dashboard a coupon section. So once you log in your dashboard, this is your dashboard admin panel, you will have coupon sections where I have created 3 coupons as of now, which include 75%, 50% and 1000 rupees discount. Okay, percentage and rupees you can mention it separately. Based on that, it will get calculated. You have different things, start date, end date, as well as how many times that coupon can be used. So all these features are included in this website. Okay, let me log into the vendor again. Now we got the coupon codes ideas, so we'll use some coupon codes and we will make the payment. Without coupon code also user can make the payment, that is secondary, but yeah, with coupon code let us see. So let me choose the plan of 4,999 where we get all the features, public profiles, 100 photos, videos can be uploaded, and analytics we will see in this video. So let us apply the coupon code. Codemaster Lab CML, first time user FTU 75. Let's apply. Yeah, you got 75% off, which is 3,749.25 off. Now you can click on pay now. Since this is I am testing this website using test variable, so we have used the test mode of Razor Pay payment integration. I have the card details, so I'll make the payment using card. So let me give the card number. Oh, thanks, maybe later. Now here you will be seeing the test page, and you will be pop up with two things, success and failure. If it is success, then it will be redirect to our success page. Failure means also we will get the pop up like your payment has been failed. So once the payment is done, what we will do, it will redirect us to the home page of the vendor with a notification. Now you can see you have an extra tab called analytics, where you can see all the analytics, and also you can see the current subscription is in premium subscription. Okay, payment history, you can check all your payments. So first one was your free payment, so that's the reason you are getting this free order, and next will be your premium. Okay, so how much you have paid and all the details will be displayed over here. Now let's go with analytics. We don't have any customer as of now. Let's open the business name is Soul Strings. So what we'll go with vendors. Okay, wedding vendors, Soul Strings we'll open, and then we'll click on form. Here we'll enter the customer name. Any customer who visits this and want to raise an inquiry can write their details over here, their name, contact number, and their email ID, and then they need to click on submit. Once they click on submit, customer will get an email notification as well as a WhatsApp message, as well as vendor dashboard they can view the same details, and vendors can able to call. This extra feature is given only for the paid users or paid vendors. So let's go with the inquiry details tab. Here you can able to see when the inquiry is made, name of the customer, email ID, phone number, city, sometimes capture, sometimes it is not capturing. So based on the user, what we call the notification we send the user, if he accepts that notification, then city is captured, otherwise not. So based on his concern basically. So that's all for this video. This is how we design our wow vendors premium vendors tab. So in my next videos you will be seeing the admin panel, and if you want this code then feel free to reach out me. I'll be helping you with the code. Already the amount and all is displayed in my channel, so you can go through that videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.